Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the process of the migration of the Gradle build script from the traditional Groovy format to the modern Kotlin script or KTS format. This migration offers several benefits, such as improved readability, enhanced IDA support, and better type safety. Okay, by migrating the Kotlin script, you can take advantage of the Kotlin powerful language, include like no safety and extension function and improve DSL support. This allows for more concise and expressive build script. Let's take a look example of Groovy build script. As you can see, in the Groovy build script, it uses a declarative style with a dynamic language. While the Groovy is flexible, it lacks some of the type safety and static analysis of the Kotlin provide. Okay, and I will jump to it to migrating from Groovy into KTS. Okay, first of all, I will rename this Groovy file, refactor and rename, and you can add in here .kts and then click refactor. Okay, after we refactor the rename the format, we add we add in here and add the question mark in here, and you can to bracket it. Okay, and then you go to Gradle build and then rename, add this in here .kts. Okay, I will Control F. I will tap like this and you can select all and delete and to replace with question mark. Okay, after this I will delete first for build script bracket. Okay, and then give the bracket in here. Okay, like this, and we move to Gradle build app in app module. In this here you can refactor again and add the KTS and refactor it and to refactor. Same in previous tutorial. I will Control F and pick question mark 1 here and select all and delete replace with 2 question mark. Okay, and then keep in here bracket and in here you don't need to give the bracket, but you instead use equal mark and then in here to equal mark and in here the release I will replace with get by name. Get by name. I will call it release and change this name with is menu file enable is equal false, and don't forget to give the bracket in here too and give the equal sign in here and compose is equal true. Okay, is equal true. This is something weird. I will delete it. Okay, we'll copy Control X and delete, paste in here, and in here you give the alt bracket. Okay, like this. And don't forget in here, I was delete the compose version, and I will use the Kotlin 1.7. I will change to 1.8.10, and in here in app module, the Kotlin version I will change with 1.4.3, which is the later version for the Kotlin version in 1.8.10, and paste in here, paste it to, and don't forget to change the compiler for the Kotlin version. Okay, like this. You can do sign now. Okay, there is error. I forgot to have in here, must be like this. I will debug it, and we will learn how to debug with error. Okay, error again. Okay, I update to in here, like I update library to the latest version. Okay, as you can see, the build is successful and there's no error in here. That's a wrap up our introduction to migrating Gradle Groovy script into KTS file. I hope you found this video informative, and I will encourage you to consider migrating your own project. Stay tuned in the next video, and you can share this video and like, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.